A little better seat. Jesus, it's so hot. Just a little shade. Catch my bottom and sit and relax. Because there's nothing I got squirrel I got in that tree. Yeah. Run a front, this is not bad enough. Run this one, how should I go? But me they run other side there already. Right now outside there, guys. The sun warm. I'm in August down in no sun. The sun warm. The sun is warm, guys. The sun is warm. So cool. So cool and nice under this tree. It is so cool and nice under this tree. Oh no, squirrel not up there now. Cause nah. That bite me now. What is from the tree? What's up? You can't see another tree, yeah? Things are drop out. Suppose I'm gonna drop out for me. What if worms falling out on me? Mm-mm. Jeez, what you playing, guys? It's gone. But like I showing the plane in it almost a land. See it around here, so now. I'm showing around here, so. The plane almost a land. I'm gonna see it, it gone. The plane almost a land. I first remember see one plane this low in a community. The plane almost touched down like a helicopter. Which local airport we have around near us? Cause the plane there almost was landing. Guys, the sun is so warm. I mean I stay under the tree. Cause I see like something did fall on my clothes, so. Mm-hmm. Son, I told you bad man. The plane almost touched down on the building. One of those small carriers. Oh, whew. One of those small carriers. I'm just afraid of stuff drop out of these tree, you know. So I'm not sit. I'm not sitting. I don't see any where to stay without a tree and the sun. Unless it's only inside the building. To stay without the tree and the sun. Because the sun warm. Mm-hmm. Sun is so warm. The sun is so warm. I have to head back in the building. I have to manage the sun. It's too hot out there. Sun too hot. I may have to come back in. Too hot. I'm afraid of insect. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. It's hot on the outside. Who is on? Who is on? Who is on? Nobody is speaking. Anyways, I'm gonna end this live. Guys. So, bye for now and take care. Heat wave that is gonna come our way. So, for those who are in this area, please stay hydrated and stay indoors, okay? Alright, so see you guys tomorrow or another day. Alright, bye. I'm not talking, so I'm gonna leave. I'm so proud of these persons that bring their own lunch. These young people own lunch to summer school. I'm proud of them. So see you guys later. Bye.